Nyasha girl, you wouldn't believe what the cleaner told me this morning, when I came in.
What that girl?
Girl, did you remember last week, when Tony got promoted?
Yes, and your point is?
My point is that he earned that promotion for the right reasons. He is having an affair with our boss lady.
Girl, shut up. Ally, are you serious? How does the cleaning lady know that?
Well, you know that she cleans the office after we are all gone. Well, she said Tony and our boss lady stayed back late one night, and she saw and heard everything.
Everything, girl, wow. And thinking he is so professional and so educated, when it is that he is selling his body for position.
Girl, don't you worry, let us just do our job, make some money so we can buy some honey for our bunny.
LOL, girl, I ain't easy. Well, got to go finish do some filing. We'll talk to you later, bye.